AI just weighed in on 3 hot tokens. According to CryptoNews September 5th report, China's DeepSeek AI published end of 2025 price calls for XRP, Ethereum, and Picoin, and the numbers are already stirring debate. Let's start with XRP. According to CryptoNews recap of DeepSeek's outlook, XRP has a credible path to $5 by year-end if a US spot ETF is approved. The article notes that 2025 has already been a breakout year for XRP, including a surge past $1 and a multi-100% run. It also flags a large whale transfer linked to Kraken and points to growing adoption signals like an XRP MasterCard pilot and new app activity via a base XRP Commons link. On the tape, the same piece highlights $3.60 as a key resistance to reclaim, with $2.50 and $2.30 as important downside levels that bulls want to defend. The takeaway in the CryptoNews write-up is simple. ETF momentum plus improving on-chain activity underpin DeepSeek's bullish call on XRP. Now Ethereum. According to CryptoNews, DeepSeek frames ETH's recent action as a textbook correction after setting a new all-time high near $4,950 in August. Price cooled into the $4,000 to $180 support zone, and the roadmap from here is clear. Reclaim for $1,490, then challenge for $1,700 for $1,800. If buyers clear those hurdles, DeepSeek sees room toward $5,100. Technicals in the article show RSI near the low to mid-30s consistent, with an oversold bounce while MACD is still negative, but close to flipping. In short, the CryptoNews summary of DeepSeek's view is that ETH looks shaky in the short term, but the higher timeframe trend is intact if key supports hold. Picoin is the wild card. According to CryptoNews, DeepSeek believes Pi can make a run toward $1 by year-end, leaning on its very large community and recent builder updates like a Linux node release and Pi App Studio for easier app creation. The same piece notes that Pi is still down sharply from prior peaks around 88% off the early highs and lays out resistance levels at 80 cents, $1.10, and $2.50 that need to fall before any bigger upside can stick. The article also mentions stretch chatter about higher numbers circulating in social feeds, but the headline call attributed to DeepSeek is a return toward the $1 area with plenty of volatility risk along the way. A quick reality check before we wrap. According to CryptoNews, these are AI-generated predictions, not guarantees. The piece also reminds readers that crypto is high risk and that September seasonality plus macro uncertainty can whipsaw prices. What actually validates the bullish cases are the usual tells: real ETF approvals and flows for XRP, sustained support and new highs for ETH after this pullback, and tangible user growth and dev traction for Pi. Watch those fundamentals, not just the targets. Bottom line, according to CryptoNews summary of DeepSeek's model, XRP has a $5 plus path if an ETF lands. ETH can re-challenge highs if for $1,280 support holds and for $1,490 for $1,800 break, and P's base case is a fight back toward $1 if community and builder momentum translate into usage. Treat the numbers as scenarios, manage risk, and let the market confirm. You've been watching Cryptozard News. Please subscribe and like, and leave a comment if you enjoyed this video, and let me know what other crypto-related news you'd like to hear in the future.